If you're not using AI yet, you're old. One of the biggest things that you can do in your business is use AI to not just help you do things, but to follow up with your leads. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. Today's video, I'm going to break down 3 simple steps to use AI to get more visitors, leads, and customers 24/7. If you're not using AI bots and automations, you're probably either doing it wrong or you're too scared to try it. If you want this full system I break down today, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. Let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. So you get out what you put in, but this is actually true for anything you do. The more effort, the more education, the more learning you do, the better results you get. Why do you think AI is any different? So what we recommend is before you go and you start using AI and these AI agents, you got to give it data. So what we do is we train our AI agent. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this for yourself as well. So what we do is we go give all the information about myself, our company, our business. I go and upload all the YouTube videos that we ever have here. I go upload all the Google Docs and transcriptions that I've ever said. And then I go and implement it and connect it with me at my CRM. Because if somebody goes to my website and they ask a question or they just visit my site, how is my AI going to know all the answers? And that's where I want to encourage you to start training your AI with better information. The best information I found is transcriptions from my videos. It's words that I'm saying. So I'll take this exact video I'm making for you today. I'm going to download the transcription. I'm going to upload it to my AI agent, and it's going to get smarter based on the knowledge that we already have. That way it can answer questions like this. Step number 2, after your agent's trained, you need to teach it to sell for you. You need to give it the exact information on how to be a salesman. So when somebody comes to your site and they email, text, DM, or they just use this widget, you want to ask them questions about themselves. Too many times we train our AI agent to tell people about us, but that's not a real connection. We need to ask about them. So in this example, I'm showing you, tell me who you are. Tell me more about you. What do you need? What's your biggest hang up right now for your business? And you want to make it easy. You don't want to make people have to type it all out. Give them prompts. Make it simple. This person is a business owner. They want to get more leads. They're a service-based business. Now, all of this is being customized in the background based on exactly what the information I've given it to them. So do they want to do it hands off? Do they want it to do it for them? So I want the AI tool to do it for me. Now it's going to ask more qualifying questions. The more questions you can ask your customer, the better AI will give a response and it'll close more deals for you. So I'm asking the specific questions I know so my AI agent can recommend the best plan for them. Boom, there it is. Launch plan is a great place for you to start since you're in this service range. And do you want to learn more or do you want to just get started? Show me what's included. Now you want to start selling them and giving them information. So you can see it automatically took them to the pricing page and now they're ready to get rolling. So tip number 3 is follow up. Not everyone's going to be ready to sign up here. So the next thing we need to do is after we train our agent, then we start specifically training it on sales messaging to ask more questions about them. We need to go connect it to our CRM. So when we head over to CRM, we can see that all these leads have visited the website. All these people have started the chat. Now we need to follow up because most people will not join that first time they chat. So we can go and send them an email. We can send them a text. And if they came in through social media, we can send them a DM. We want to get them in our pipeline, move them across the board, and we want to keep following up. Are you doing this for your business or are you just letting AI pass you by? Instead of using AI just to write your social media posts, you should be using it to follow up with your leads, close more deals, get more book calls, and automate your business so you can continue to scale. Now, like I promised, if you want this tool, you can go comment system down below. We'll send it over to you so you can start training your AI agent to talk exactly like you would talk. And of course, try to close more deals. So it'd be awesome if this video brought you any value if you subscribe to my channel. I know a few of you watching haven't subscribed yet, so that would mean a lot. It helps my channel grow, helps me keep making videos like this. And if you want to learn more about AI, SEO, and automation, check out this playlist here. Let's keep automating, let's keep growing, and let's keep scaling. Hope to see you on my next video.